In this video, we are going to select drawing objects using the window method. The window selection method occurs by selecting a point on screen, then moving the cursor above or below and to the right. The window selection is displayed as a blue box with solid edges. Only objects that are 100% contained within the window will be selected. For example, I want to select the upper left circle. I begin by selecting a point out in space and moving my mouse to the right. As soon as the circle is completely within the window, you can see it start to highlight. Even though the window is crossing over two lines, they will not be selected because they are not completely within the window. I'm going to press Escape to deselect that circle and look at another example. Let's say I want to select the square in this shape. Once again, I'm going to click a point in space and move my mouse to the right. And once the box is fully within the window, I can click to select it. Then once the appropriate objects are selected, you can begin the desired modify command. That concludes this look at selecting objects using the window method.